Hi all, today we are going to see the demo of ordering from ATG to Siebel via the web service call. So in this, ATG being a web commerce portal, end user navigates to the product catalog after logging in and selects the product with the appropriate configuration, then checks out with adding appropriate addresses and places the order in ATG. As soon as the order is placed in ATG, it will be sent to Siebel via the web service, and the CSR can review these order details and can modify any details that he can update manually, and he needs to update manually. After that, he will submit the order for further fulfillment in Siebel to the downstream system. As soon as the order is progressing for further stages, these statuses will reflect in both Siebel as well as in ATG. Once the order gets completed, the order will be converted into an asset in Siebel, and the same thing will be reflected in ATG as a service. So let's see in real world how it looks like. Now I am navigating to the ATG portal where I log in with the proper user ID. So let's take one user ID. And then log in. After login, I can see the welcome user, and then there I can see the catalogs displayed. I am selecting a catalog called Buy Mobile where I have some products, so where I can select one product for ordering. For this demo, I am taking CME 3G mobile data service for ordering. So I selected the product. There I can see the product details as well as the recommendations associated with this product under you may also like section. So I am ordering 3G mobile data service. Then I can click on configure to see further details of this product, whatever is available for the user. So I wanted to change the monthly quota, so I just selected 5 GB under monthly quota and then click on end configuration. Then now I can see the shopping cart page where I can review all the details whatever I have selected for the current product whichever I am ordering. And also I can see in the cart image a number shows the number of selected products in shopping cart. Now I am complete with the configuration of the product that I wanted to place an order. So I can click on proceed to checkout. There I can see the addresses and my cards and the order details. So now in this manage addresses, I wanted to update some of the addresses. I can click on manage address and then click on edit. So there I can see some address details. I can update and then click save. So now I have the address saved. Then I click on again save button to return back to order summary page where I can see all my addresses as well as my billing profiles. Let's see my card details. So in this card details, I have seen my billing profiles where I wanted to select one of the billing profile as a default. If I wanted to edit this billing profile, click on edit and then update these details. So I click on update and wanted to make it as a default. I save the record. I can see the changes reflecting. If I wanted to add few more, I click on manage and then click on create new billing profile. So now I wanted to add another billing profile. I take some test data and update here with the appropriate expiration date and expiration month, and select the card type and the address details. I wanted to save this profile, so I just select it and then click on save. So now I can see multiple billing profiles associated to the billing address. I click on save. Now I am returned back to my order summary page, where I can see both the credit card information reflecting with my shipping address. And now I am ready to go for placing an order. I need to select the shipping method. So I have selected the shipping method and then clicking on apply. So there now I can see the place order button is getting enabled. Now I can complete the order by clicking on place your order button. There now I can see an email getting displayed here. So that means like I got an email confirmation for the order I placed, and also I am in a order confirmation page where I can see the order ID generated in ATG. Let's review my email ID. So there I can see my email with the order details and the product with pricing information. Now I am back to the ATG page where I just had one CBEL ATG order placed to CBEL. Just wanted to get the CBEL order details, so I can click on get CBEL order ID button, or if I wanted to continue shopping, I can click on continue shopping. So let me click get the details of CBEL order. I click on get CBEL order ID. There I can see the CBEL order details like a quote and order getting created with the in CBEL for the current order placed in ATG. I am clicking on continue shopping to return back to my home page. So I have started with the product screen. Now I wanted to review the products and that I order, so I can review it under orders screen from menu. There I can see two orders. One is which one is placed just now. So let's see the details of this. Okay, so I have the current order CME 3G mobile data service that I placed just now. So let's review these details in CBEL. So I am navigating to the CBEL screen and then navigating to the accounts, and I am going to my accounts where I can search for an AHA account and then see the details of account. Let me drill down on this. There I can see account summary page where I have the two orders placed, two quotes with two orders placed, and the billing profile. One is primary and another one is non-primary. So I, being a CSR, just wanted to review these details, whether the user has filled the appropriate details or not. So for that I am navigating to the billing profiles by selecting the profiles screen. Under that, billing profiles. There I can see my credit card information reflecting here. But now the contact information is mandatory, is not been updated by the user. So I just click on these details and update it manually in CBEL. and some other details like bill media, bill type for both the billing profiles, and navigate back to the account summary page where I can see and review the order details. I click on account summary page. There I can see the order that is placed just now, and then review the details, click on it, and then I can be navigated to the order details page. Now in order details page, I wanted to review the billing profile and update the appropriate details in Siebel. And the billing profile and the service ID. Now I am ready to place an order in Siebel. I click on submit the order. As the status of the order is in open state after submitting it, let's review in ATG. For this I am navigating back to the ATG screen where I can review my order details by clicking on orders. Just to refresh, there I can see one order has been progressing and with the status as open. Whenever the order progresses to the next stages for further fulfillment and fulfillment gets complete, those details we can review in both ATG and Siebel. So for this, let's see the current status is in open in ATG. Let's review in Siebel what is the current status of the order. So I am navigating to the accounts and then drilling down to the order account summary page where now I can see my order getting complete with the status as complete and one asset has been created in Siebel. So let's review these details in ATG whether they are reflecting or not. So for this I am refreshing this screen by clicking on orders. There I can see the order status showing as complete, and for this to see the details of the assets I can click on services. There I can see the asset getting created, so I can drill down on the asset details. There I can see the monthly quota of 5 GB that I have selected for the asset with the pricing information. So with this I conclude this demo. Thank you.